Now, Google Analytics is something that can be hard-coded onto your website. However, once again, the whole point of Google Tag Manager is to have everything in one place, and you could very easily implement Google Analytics via Google Tag Manager. So in this video, we'll be implementing Google Analytics via Google Tag Manager, and we'll be verifying that it's working. So right here, we're in a Google Analytics account. We see once you click on the wheel in the bottom left corner and you go in the middle, you go to tracking info, you click on tracking code. We see this ID. We want to copy that ID, it's tracking ID. And remember, this is for Google Analytics Universal Analytics, not G4. So now you want to click on New. You want to name your tag. Click on Tag Configuration. Select Google Analytics Universal Analytics. You want to make sure track type is page view. We're going to put a new variable. We're going to call this variable GA tracking ID. So that thing that you just copied from Google Analytics, that's a tracking ID. You want to place it in the tracking ID field. I'm going to click on Save. Now you want to set up the trigger. Google Analytics, you want it to fire on all the pages on your site. So you select all pages, you click on Save. Now we're going to verify and confirm that it's working. So with Google Tag Manager, we can go to preview mode. We already have the website URL in place. Click on Start. It will open up a new tab. So you go to the tag that says Tag Assistant Connected. Or you could first confirm it with Google Tag Assistant. Click on that. Click on Google Analytics. You see the UA code, that's the tracking code. You want to see if that matches the same code you have in Analytics. Once you see that's the case, you go back to the Tag Assistant Connected. You see tags fired, it says Google Analytics. Click on Container Loaded. Select Google Analytics. And you can see where it says Tracking ID, it gives you the same ID as you have in your Google Analytics account. Once you confirm that, click Submit. Describe what it is, what change was made. Click on Publish. And there you go. We've implemented Google Analytics and confirmed that it's working via Google Tag Manager.